It's almost avocado harvest time here in Modesto, California, area zone 9B. Hi, my name is Jeff, and welcome to my tropical garden. Today we're going to talk about a mystery avocado that I found and grafted about a year ago. The fruit is just about ready to ripen, and we'll discuss that. But first, if you like these type of videos, if you like my channel, go ahead and click the subscribe button and like. And if you have any comments, go ahead and leave them in the comment section below. Well, let's take a look at this avocado first. Look how long and skinny this avocado is. A friend of mine told me about an avocado that had some branches hanging over a sidewalk in a city fairly close to my city. And so I went over there, snuck a little piece of wood off there, and I grafted it. And lo and behold, the tree is very precocious. The branch that's growing is very precocious, meaning that it put out a lot of fruit, about 5 on a 2-foot branch the second year after I grafted it. The only problem is I've never tasted this fruit before, and I actually have no idea when it'll be ripe. It looks like it's getting close. If you look closely, one of them is starting to get a little dull, and that's one way of knowing whether or not the fruit is ripe. And another way is to look at where it attaches to the fruit, the stem. When the stem starts to turn color, then the fruit is ripe. And as you can see, this one is just starting to turn a little bit different shade than the stem that's hanging down to where it's attached to the fruit. Well, we're gonna have some cars driving by, so I apologize. As you can see, this fruit is really long and skinny, probably about 9 or 10 ounces in size. I have no idea what it's related to even. The tree that the graft wood came from was a very precocious tree, loaded with fruit, just loaded down with fruit. Ripens in September, early October, and yeah, I don't know how it tastes though, so I'm gonna have to give it a try. As you can see, some of the new growth is bright reddish color, which differs from other parts of the tree that I have grafted with different kinds of avocados. As you can see, the Wilma section not nearly as red. So what we're gonna do, I don't know if it's time, but I'm gonna, oh, broke off a branch. I'm going to take one off and see if it's ripe yet. I'm told that the fruit ripen sometime in September or October, but look at the length of the neck on that. I'm also told that it's a seedling. So yeah, I will have to let this sit on the counter for a while and wait till it ripens and open it up, and maybe I'll do a demonstration as to its flavor. Oh, look at all the leaf litter I use in my avocados. Look at how long and skinny that thing is. My name is Jeff. Welcome to my tropical garden. If you like these videos, go ahead and click the subscribe button. I'm trying to get 1,000 subscribers. That way YouTube will advertise my subscribers. You have a good day.